Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson from Learn AI and ChatGPT.com. It's day 10 of my Shopify AI challenge, where I'm going to go from setup to first sale in 30 days. Let's see if I can do it, okay? So if this is your first time visiting or you don't know who I am, like I said, my name is Marcella Wilson. I'm a computer science professor and all things AI, AI expert. I'm here in my kitchen at home where I spend a lot of my time, and I check in every day to let you know what I'm doing in this challenge. So I'm on day 10, and before I tell you what I did today, let's get some housekeeping things out of the way. First of all, if you want to follow along with me in this challenge, I would love it if you would look in the description, because there's a link to a document where I write everything that I'm doing, my thoughts, what I plan on doing the next day. So it's kind of like a sheet where you can see everything that I'm done, what I want to do, links to the previous videos, the whole nine. So you can get that in the description. Also, if you don't have a Shopify store and you're thinking about setting up your own Shopify store, I have a link also in the description that has a fabulous offer. Now, Shopify is at least $39 a month, which is a great deal for all it offers you. But if you click on one of the links in the description, you can get Shopify for $1 for your first 3 months. So that's an incredible deal. I wish that was around when I first started. But you could take advantage of that. Also, I would love it if you like this video and if you subscribe to my channel. I try to offer a lot of value about how business owners can use ChatGPT and AI to do things quicker, cheaper, faster than they ever could before. So yeah, hang out with me. All right, so now that we got all that stuff out of the way, let's get to it. I can't believe I'm on day 10, double digits. Woo! It's been a ride. It's been challenging because, a few days ago, I wanted to take a day off. I was like, can I get a weekend here? But I said I was going to do this. I'm a woman of my word. So I've been working on this every day for 10 days. Now, I know that's not a really long time, but yeah, I did want a day off. So I got my notes here. What did I do today? So you guys know I'm using AI to set up a complete Shopify store. Like, I had a Shopify store years ago, and it took me 6 months to get it up and running because I was writing all of the product descriptions myself, researching SEO terms, getting products shipped from China, the whole nine. Well, this time, everything is going to be AI generated, even the product. So I've told you before, the product is a print-on-demand mug. All of my images, everything, AI generated using ChatGPT. So got the mug, got the product descriptions up, did everything on my Shopify site, got it up, running. My Shopify store is ready to go. So today I worked on Facebook ad copy. Let me just say this. A couple years ago, I spent a lot of money to learn how to do Facebook ads. And I know it's a weak spot for a lot of people. I feel you, but I will say, if you really want to have a business, you have to have some way to advertise. And having a way to advertise online is amazing. And I highly recommend that if you don't know Facebook ads, that you would learn them. Okay. However, I kind of had some trepidation about this part because it takes me a long time to create Facebook ads on my own because I try to make sure they're perfect. I'm always scrutinizing the copy, making sure the images are just right, the videos are perfect. So this part today was challenging because I kind of had to lay myself down and just let AI work its magic, more specifically ChatGPT. So, and I had to tell myself, hey, I'm going to let ChatGPT tell me what ad copy is best to get customers, right? And that was hard to do because I had to keep Marcella out of it. But I wrote prompts that, told ChatGPT exactly what I wanted and the audience I'm targeting, which I haven't told you guys yet, but I will later. And it came up with some amazing ad copy. So it took about a half hour for me. I usually like to start off with like 5 or 6 ads. I know some people some people like start off with one ad and see how that goes. I kind of like to do 5 or 6 and then see which one works out best. So I've got ad copy for 5 or 6. It's about 8 ads, and I'm going to narrow it down to 6, but I'll do that tomorrow. So I have ad copy for 8 ads, which is incredible that only took a half hour. Because if it were just me doing it, it would have took me like 2 days. Okay. Then came the creative. Like, do I use video? Do I use images? What do I use for these ads? So since I'm using a print-on-demand product, Printify will automatically generate like basic images for you and like 1 or 2 lifestyle images. So I was like, okay, let me see if ChatGPT through DALL-E, which is their image generator, can they generate some like fun lifestyle images for me? And yes, they were able to do that, but the problem was they kept changing, how do I say it? They kept changing the mug design. So even though I wanted to use their pictures, they didn't have the correct mug design, right? So, and I didn't want to use those images because someone would think that the mug design looks like that. Even though the wording was correct, the mug design wasn't, right? So I didn't want them to order this mug and then they get it and like, hey, this is not the correct mug. It's the correct saying, but the design is not the same. And I've said this before, DALL-E is great, but I believe that DALL-E is maybe 1 or 2 years for perfection. It's not 100%. Like sometimes it'll misspell words, sometimes it'll add duplicate words or letters won't even look like letters. So there's a ways to go. So I said, hey, since I've already created the mug design and that's what it has to be, I'm just going to use Printify's images since they give it to me already. I did think about like going on Etsy and buying some like mock-ups, which is fine. However, since this whole challenge is just about setting this store up and using AI, I said, I'm gonna wait on that. I'm just going to use what I have, not buy anything additional, just gonna use what AI gives me. And since AI or ChatGPT didn't give me the specific lifestyle images that I wanted, I just used the ones that I already had through Printify. So all in all, I spent about an hour creating Facebook ads using ChatGPT and then downloading the lifestyle images and just the basic images from Printify. And that's about how much time I spend every day on this challenge. Working on it is just like an hour. But to get that far with Facebook ads in an hour, to do that much is incredible because like I said, for me, it'll take me 2 or 3 days just to do this. What a time saver ChatGPT is. All right, so what was my mindset? Today, my mindset was good. I was excited. I like Facebook ads. I think they're fun. I'm a creative person and I kind of I like Facebook ads and I like to do them. So today was a fun day, but I was just a little scared because I had to kind of take myself out of the process. Now tomorrow, I'm just going to actually set up the actual Facebook ads and hit publish. So I don't think that'll take more than an hour because I already have my ad copy. I already have my images. I just need to upload them into the, business manager. And I'm assuming it'll take up to 24 hours to get it approved. So I'm thinking since today is day 10, by day 12, they should be running. And then on day 12, I can focus on other things in the business. But yeah, 12 days to have a Shopify store up, Facebook ads up and running in 12 days, and a product going. That's amazing. So that's the goal. Tomorrow, actually create the Facebook ads, publish them, and hopefully have them approved and running by day 12. All right. This is crazy. Day 10, guys. So that's all I got for you today. If you have any comments or questions, just type them below. I personally read and answer every comment, and I'd love to hear from you. So follow along with me, and also sign up for my emails. I give a lot of value and information and trainings and all sorts of stuff that I offer, but I only notify people through email. So sign up and come along with me. And if you are a business owner, you're trying to learn how to use social media, or you're trying to not have social media be so much of a grind for you, let AI do the heavy lifting. I got a lot of information on that as well. So sign up for my emails. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. I'm off to other parts of the business after I eat first. I'm going to eat first, and then I'm going to get back to other parts of the business. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on day 11. God bless. Take care. See you soon.